Hi, I'm Dave from SIS, and here's today's tip. Let's talk about how you can customize your Designcenter NX environment with customer defaults. As you work in Designcenter, if you notice there are option settings you are routinely changing, then you should consider changing your customer defaults. For example, if you prefer your datum coordinate system to be larger and are changing the scale factor, that is a default you can change. These default values and settings for options can be set using the Customer Defaults utility, which you can access by selecting File tab, Utilities, Customer Defaults. On the left side of this dialog are applications with categories underneath. For example, I'll select Modeling, and with the general category selected, we'll find the Datum CSys Display Scale Factor on the General tab. I'll enter 2. I'll change a couple more defaults. Selecting the Gateway Application General Category, on the Directories tab, I'll click Browse for the part file directory. This is the default directory where you create a new part file or open an existing one. There's a massive number of defaults listed, so be sure to use the Find Default option to quickly locate the one you're looking for. I want to find the option for scrolling the mouse wheel to zoom in a view, so I'll search for Mouse. To find the mouse wheel scrolling default, click OK to navigate to it, and change it to Backward to zoom in. Once you're done setting the defaults, click OK. A message displays stating the changes won't take effect until you restart Designcenter NX. I'll do that now. Without a part file open, you can access customer defaults from the Home tab. I'll display it again and click Manage Current Settings. Here you can see the settings you've defined. Here are the ones I just set. You can add a comment for your reference or delete a setting which will revert it to the factory default. If you want to share your settings with another user, you can export them using this button, and then your colleague can import them with this one. If you want everyone in your group or your site to share the same settings, that can also be set up. Check out my other video on site and group customer defaults for more on that. I hope you found this video on customizing your Designcenter NX environment with customer defaults useful. If you have any questions, you can message me on LinkedIn.